Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through transferring Solana from your Bitget account to your Phantom wallet. So now let's get started. So first open your Phantom wallet extension or application. Click on the wallet address at the top to copy it to your clipboard. Now access your Bitget account using your credentials and ensure you have Sol or Solana available for withdrawal. Now navigate to the asset section and select withdraw. Choose Sol from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now paste your Phantom wallet address into the recipient address field. Ensure the network is set to Solana. Enter the amount of Sol you wish to transfer. After that, review all details carefully. Confirm the transaction and complete any required security verifications. Now after the transaction is processed, check your Phantom wallet to ensure the Sol has arrived. And that is how you transfer Sol from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. And now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.